Hi everyone, we're going to get into Activity 1, LunaSat Hookup Guide, and with me I have Emily doing hands. So for this, you are going to need the connection wires and your FTDI. You will also need the black USB cables and one LunaSat. If you're using a Mac, you might need a USB dongle for converting that USB. So first, let's talk a little bit about what the FTDI is. The FTDI is used to upload code to the LunaSat, and it converts USB communication from your computer to serial communication that the LunaSat uses. The LunaSat understands serial communication much more easily, making this a lot more efficient. And it converts using TTL, which is transistor-transistor logic. So first we're going to hook up our wires into our FTDI. So you're going to take the yellow cord and you're going to put it in the DTR pin, which is on the very left. Next, we're going to take our blue wire and put it in the RXI pinhole, which is right next to that yellow one. Next, we're going to take our green wire, and that goes in TXO. And then take our red wire and put that in 3V3. Now, nothing is going to go in the next hole, so leave a space where it says CTS. And then we're going to take our black wire and put it in the GND or ground port. Okay, so next, this is the standard orientation for the LunaSat, which you can see that Emily has the LunaSat in standard orientation. So to make this a lot easier, you're going to want to make sure you're doing this as well. So the first wire we're going to do is the black ground wire from the FTDI, and that's going to go on the ground pin or GND pin on the bottom right of the LunaSat. All right, and you can see on this next slide what that looks like. Next, we're going to take our blue RXI wire from the FTDI and put it on the TX pin on the LunaSat. It is the third pin from the right up at the top. You'll notice that RXI is going to TX. That stands for receive and transmit. So on this next step, you'll see that the TX is going to go to RX, meaning that wherever you transmit, you're going to go into receive, and wherever you're receiving, you're going to go into transmit. So next, take our green TXO from the FTDI and put it on the RX pin on the LunaSat. It's in the top middle, so right next to that blue one. It's the second pin from the right. And then we're going to take the yellow DTR wire and put it in the DTR pin on the LunaSat on the top right. So it's the rightmost pin next to that green one. You can see better in the photo if you want to look at that. And finally, we're going to take the red VCC or 3.3V cord from the FTDI and put it on the right pin on P5 or the 3.3V pin. This is the right pin beneath the 3.3 label. It might be easier to look at an image to figure out where that is. And next, we're going to make sure that we have a bridge connector in the correct place. So confirm that the bridge connector is between the 3.3V and the 5V as seen in the picture and also on our LunaSat. And this bridge exists to isolate the 5V pin rail during the bootloading process. So our next step is to plug the LunaSat into our computer. So you're going to plug the USB cable into the FTDI, and then you're going to then plug that USB cable into your computer. And you can watch the front side of the LunaSat, and a blue LED should blink 3 times. Our LunaSat won't be doing that just because we've uploaded other code to it, but yours should be blinking blue. Then you're going to unplug the USB cable from your computer, but keep the rest of this set up for later. Whenever you need to make a change to the connections on your board, you should unplug the USB cable from your computer, but leave the USB plugged into the FTDI and connected to the LunaSat. You just don't want to be messing with wires while the LunaSat is still getting power from your computer. So with that, we'll move on to next steps, which will get you into Module 1.